Hi guys, TV support here. So I wanted to make this video tips and tricks, and basically how to best use the box and how I use the box. So I'm just going to get right into it. So I'm assuming you're connected to the internet and you fixed your screen dimensions from the setup video. And now we're going to talk about how to best use the box. So you click on your star. And the first thing that I'm going to talk about is how I personally watch my movies and TV shows. Now, movies in TV 1 and 2 will work perfectly fine 99% of the time. And you can find every single movie and TV show ever in here. But what I do is, before I even go into these two, I use this Phoenix app. I can't stress enough how good this app is. In the past, if you received my box, I didn't really tell you to go here first, and to tell you the truth, I don't know why. And the reason is they don't have every single movie and TV show, but the ones that they do have are HD usually and come from extremely good links. So I'm going to go into Phoenix first and show you how to use it properly. Alright, so when you go into Phoenix, this is what it looks like. It's got all these people here that basically collect different movies, shows. Some of them do live TV. But what it's really good for is movies. It's also good for, it doesn't have as many TV shows. But what I do is, if you want, there's two ways. You can browse, so you can just click on these guys and you can go browse and see what they have. So these are all 1080 movies, for example. This guy's got it alphabetical order. So if you feel like browsing, you can just click on any of these guys and just browse what they have. Anything that they're going to have is very high quality. And you can see they're all HD. Now, what I do is, I use this search option. So when I want to watch a movie, I come into Phoenix and I go to search right here. And you click on search. And let's do, I don't know, Concussion, which is a fairly new movie. Alright, no hits there. I don't know if I misspelled concussion. Yes, I did. So yeah, your spelling has to be right on. Alright, so we get all these hits. It honestly doesn't matter which one you click on. All of these guys in Phoenix have high quality. So I'm going to just do the first one. And boom, it just starts to play. Not only that, it's it's a 720, so it's HD. I can fast forward, it plays instantly. Very good quality stuff in here. The other good thing is it saves your searches. So if you're doing TV shows, you can just click on your TV show again. It's not as good for TV shows. They're mostly movie collectors. But use that search option. I can't stress how good this app is. I mean, Phoenix itself, these guys put Netflix to shame. Just this app alone. Forget the stuff all the other stuff we can do on this box. But this app on its own is amazing. Let's see what else I wanted to talk about. Phoenix, yeah, buffering. So the next thing is about buffering. That's the most common call I get for support, is people text me and say, my feed is buffering. And typically that's when you're playing a movie or TV show in 1 or 2. And that's normal. For the most part, it's going to play very well for you anyway. But these links are coming from free servers. And they're coming from places that anyone can access. And they're not the highest quality. Everything that you're going to watch in here is also standard definition. They're not HD usually. So let's just go into 1. And I'm going to show you a quick and dirty trick to get around buffering. Again, you should be using movies and TV 1 mostly for shows. Because if you can watch it in Phoenix, watch the movies in Phoenix. But let's do a TV show. let's just do Daredevil. Now let's just try this one. Now notice what it's going to say here, the video.me. So that's the link it's playing from. Whoops, let's try that again. I think I might have hit cancel. Whoops. So let me just make sure I've set this up correctly because I'm on my computer. Alright, so this is actually a good example. This is a perfect example. So let's say I was trying to watch that. So I was watching Daredevil. And I was trying to watch, I think it was one of these ones. So it's saying the video.me. Now, the computer thinks, or the box thinks, that there was a video there, but there isn't. So what we're going to do is, instead of clicking OK this time, we're going to click the letter C. And it's going to give us this option here to select source. So we're going to click on that. So it tried to play this one and it didn't work. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the next one here. And now it's playing. So let's say now usually that doesn't happen. Usually 99% of the time the first link is the plays. But let's say that link was buffering, or even this link, let's just say it starts to buffer on us. All we would do is we would click back, and on this episode that we want to watch, we would click the letter C and select source. And then we would just try another one of these. So in this one, the first one I guess was dead, but you can just try this one. And there you go. Now it's playing the same episode, but from a different source. And that's how you get around buffering, guys. You just use the letter C on whatever it is that you want to watch. You can also do that in your movies and TV too. So in movies and TV too, once you search for whatever you want to watch, you can hit letter C on that and also select sources. Movies and TV 2 takes a lot longer to load video than number 1, and I've set it up that way to work as a backup because it looks for even more links. Again, guys, for movies, search in Phoenix first. The only difference is Phoenix is going to use more of your data because it's usually HD, whereas these ones are SD. The other thing I want to talk about is favoriting stuff. So if you watch shows, typically you're going to watch more than one episode, so you might want to favorite a show so you can get to it really quick. So if I go into movies and TV 1, and if I'm watching shows in here, and let's just say I want to favorite Daredevil, instead of clicking OK on it, again I'm going to click the letter C, and I'm going to do this one here, add to favorites. And then what that does is, the next time you come into TV shows, it's going to be in this favorites list here. So now I have my favorites in here. And that's it. That's how you favorite a show. You can do the same thing with movies. You can also, in Phoenix, it will remember your searches. And same with movies and TV too, it will remember your searches. The last one is for sports. I don't want to go too in depth with sports in this video. Remember, with live TV, all the live TV cannot be guaranteed. Having said that, every day live TV gets better and better on this stuff. But for sports, I always go to live TV 12 first, if it's hockey, football, or basketball. And then if it's not in there, then I go to live TV 2, and you can look through these lists. The best thing to do is to subscribe to my text message updates on where to watch different sports, because I do the dirty work and find where the games are playing for you. And last but not least is Sports Devil. I can pretty much guarantee you can find any game in Sports Devil. The question is where it's going to be in these lists and what kind of quality you're going to get. This one here, livesportstreams.tv, has been playing excellent feeds when they work. I like using firstrowsports.eu as well. But yeah, you can just browse through all of these websites and they will have sports for you. That's it, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video on how I use the box and how you can get around some trouble spots. If you need any help, just text or call. Thanks.